In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Virtual Desktop on your Oculus Quest 3S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over all of the general steps that you have to follow in order to download and use Virtual Desktop from your Oculus Quest 3S. So first, download Virtual Desktop for your PC. After you have it downloaded from the website at vrdesktop.net, buy Virtual Desktop on the MetaQuest store. It's important that you purchase this version of Virtual Desktop. Don't purchase any other one on different stores such as Steam. Otherwise, the connection will not work. So once you have VR Desktop downloaded and Virtual Desktop purchased on the Meta store, it is also recommended to acquire Steam VR. Once you have all of these tools good to go, then open the Virtual Desktop Streamer app on your PC and set up your Meta username here on this first input. After this is done, save, and you can head over into the options. You can copy these. These are not going to be optimal, but you should be using this codec, AV1 10-bit Quest 3. The other settings at the right, I'm not going to go over them individually. It's mostly going to come down to personal preference, but you can find some that might help with performance and the experience. So it is up to you, but definitely select the AV1 codec if available here for your Quest 3S. With this done, you can now put on your headset, and if you open Virtual Desktop directly on the MetaQuest 3S, you will be greeted by this window, Computers, and then you can select your PC from the list. So choose it here to connect, and now you will be able to use Virtual Desktop as long as you set up your Meta username and it is connected to your PC through the same Wi-Fi network. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.